aviators, you are watching Jet Factors. The aircraft is an incredible machine which flies without any mechanical support. Therefore, unlike automobiles, there is no room for errors in case of safe operation of the aircraft. Any error may sometimes cause dangerous situations and even fatalities. Thus, in order to keep these flying machines safe and in compliance with various aviation safety standards, there are professionals who work to fulfill these requirements. They are the aircraft mechanics or technicians and aircraft maintenance engineers. If you are an aviation enthusiast, aircraft maintenance engineering is the right choice to pursue your career in. The eligibility for aircraft maintenance engineering (AME) in India is 10+2 with physics, chemistry and mathematics as mandatory subjects and a 50% and above aggregate. Also, diploma holders in automobile, mechanical or electrical engineering are eligible to pursue this course. You should not be affected with color blindness, your vision should be 6x6, with or without spectacles, and you should be medically fit in order to be eligible for this course. For more requirements and regulations, follow the Civil Aviation Requirements, CAR 66, issued by DGCA India. Link is given in the description below. There are various categories for the type of aircraft maintenance engineer's license. You can pause the screen to note them down. You have to study for different modules based on the category you have chosen. The Directorate General of Civil Aviation, DGCA, conducts modular exams for AME candidates. In order to be eligible to apply for it, you should own a unique computer number. After successfully completing the basic training and achieving the certificate of completion, you are ready to maintain the aircrafts. It is not mandatory to complete all the modules before completion of the course. But the module exam, once passed, has a validity period of 10 years as of now. Only after completing all the modules belonging to your category, you will be eligible to become a certifying aircraft maintenance engineer. Until then, you will be working as aircraft technicians. This was a general familiarization video on aircraft maintenance engineering. For more details, keep subscribed and wait for the upcoming videos. Comment down your suggestions and requirements. Thank you for watching Jet Factors.